This is where we get our input, which is from DHT11 module. It functions as a humidity level and temperature detection. The output is reflected through piezoelectric disc, buzzer, and LCD. The piezoelectric disc produces mist, buzzer produces sound, and LCD display the reading. In the video, as you can see, the LCD displays the fluctuating humidity of the surrounding, which means that DHT11 is working properly. As the humidity reaches 80%, the relay switches off the mist. When the humidity level drops below 70, the relay switches on the mist again. In this next scene, it shows that the buzzer functioning when the humidity reaches more than 80%.